All right, Ricardo, you're up.
Hello, everybody. My name is Ricardo Villegas, Villegas in English. So I start. My education is I start to study civil engineering in the Ricardo Palma University, which is in Lima, Peru. So then I moved to the University Mexico, Autónoma University of Mexico, to take some course like a highway developer and metropolitan designer. And then I took another different course for electrical media and lower tension. From there I went to the Miami-Dade Community College to get the administration associate in science. Also take the course for human resource seminars. And then I went to the Broward Community College taking the mapping and survey seminar. In my experience, I had a most experience in the field. So I start to, actually right now I'm doing technical engineering support with Bentley with the GeoPack. I was doing GeoPack certification, now I'm working in GeoPack survey support, site and road, and also in open road and trying to learning little by little like in road. And then I was working also as an inspector consulting, working for the DOT department, when it used to be Vice Finger Heights Associate consulting engineers. And highway, my experience highway design areas in the when GeoPack started first with a VHA consulting engineer. So I worked for the VHA consultant engineer from August 18 to July 1994. I was in the highway engineering department. Also was in the production department and planning. And also I was training all the junior engineers came to the company for the first step to know how you can develop or start to design and coordinate with the senior engineer regarding the design profile and different topics there. My field experience is I used to be working as inspector for the DOT and the casting yard, which is a lot of things, how build the segments for the bridges, for the highway, different topic for how is how can be the concrete, how can pure the concrete, everything regarding that. And also I did the structure inspector. I was doing like a concrete inspector too. And my main work in the casting yard was the topography, because I was in charge about the alignment of the segment. So also I certified the pre-tension and post-tension, the concrete pilers. And then I went to the Port of Miami, which was built the bridge. I was being a building inspector for Port of Miami Bridge. And also I was in charge about the geometry and the alignment, like inspector and topography. And I was in charge about the location of the pier for Port of Miami. Then I was doing the data field processor in the office for survey department for Vice Finger Heights Associate. Then came to the GeoPack. And I was working also as a surveyor, doing the traverse, establish the center line, and doing the cross section in the I-4 in Tampa. I was established on Highway 536 Miami. We were doing the cross section in State Road 80, the traverse, and also the cross section finish for that. And also we working in Turnpike Highway. I have a lot of experience regarding the survey we did in Palmetto Highway, all the cross-section, all the reestablished center line, and same way for the Polk County. I'm working in the 75 Ocala for widening the lanes for almost 6 months, doing the cross sections, doing the traverse. First of all, the traverse, then creating the reestablish the alignment, and then doing the cross section. And in Peru, I was doing the highway inspector after in January 1983 to August 1988. So this is my family. This is my wife. She is from Peru also. I'm from Peru. And that's my 2 kids, Melissa, which is I'm proud of her, and also from my son. My daughter is 10 years old right now, is in the 5th grade. So she got on a roll from the 1st grade to 5th grade. So he never missed any honor roll. So he got for 5 years honor roll and sometimes principal honor roll. And that is my little kid. We love the soccer. I played soccer for all my life. Now I'm coaching his team for my son. And at the bottom you can see we are in Canada, Montreal. In my spare time, my vacation, my family loves to travel to different places. So my challenges on civil product is regarding business, helping to the user to realize different product which is Bentley can offer. So also I'm motivating the user to purchase different kind of software which they can be using regarding to hydraulics and everything regarding to the civil. So always I'm trying to see if we can put more products so in any user company. Technical, I'm keeping constant change in order to better assist the user. Continuing in my own training in order to complete proficiency of the product offered by Bentley. That's what I'm trying to do, and always try to get better support and improve myself in my spare time. So next, my short-term objective is open road proficiency and create a direct and project from the start to finish. That's what I would like to do it. The most important, coordinate with my colleagues to improve efficient support for the user, working with the different teamwork in our company. We have a different group, different teams, like a project-wide, like a MicroStation, so try to get the best coordinate, so then the user will be get soon answer or solve the problem very fast. Involving myself in more areas such as consulting, was doing training, certification, and use my experience for help to my colleagues, my supervisor, and developers. So I had a lot of years working for this company when they started from VHA, then merged to Geopack, and then now merged to the Bentley. So that's it. That's all.
All right.